In today's class, you're gonna learn personal pronoun. Pronoun will be personal. I, you, and they. Welcome to Sorelia's Art and Craft. It's a channel where you can learn so many things with fun. Let it be craft, education, ideas, many things. So let's start learning about pronouns. There are 8 kinds of pronouns. Personal pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reflexive pronoun, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, intensive pronouns, and relative pronouns. Today we'll learn about personal pronouns. This type of pronouns are called personal pronouns because they used to refer to ourselves, to the people we are talking to, and to the people we are mentioning about. So, when we tell somebody about something, normally 3 persons are involved. The speaker, the person to whom speaker is saying, and the person about whom the speaker is saying. Let's see an example. Anna told Elsa that Christoph was also there. Anna told her that he was also there. Here Anna is speaking first person, Elsa is listening second person, and Christoph is referred. So he is third person. Anna told her that he was also there. Let's take another example. Natasha told Iron Spidey that Earth is saved. Natasha told him that it is saved. Here Natasha is speaking first person, Iron Spidey is listening second person, and Earth is referred. So it's the third person. Let's learn some forms of personal pronouns. It'll help us. So we'll take person, singular, and plural. First person, I is a singular, we plural. Me, us, my, our, mine, ours. Second person, thou, ye, plural is ye. Thee, you. Thy, your. And thine, yours. So now the third person singular has 3 forms: masculine, feminine, and common, and plural. He, she, it, plural they. Him, her, it, plural them. His, her, its, plural their. His, hers, and plural is theirs. Hope this will help you to identify or understand the definition of pronoun. Hope you like our video. Please keep viewing. Thank you.